Now, I've never been really big on novelty stuff. However, being as that I drive a car with a manual transmission, I can sort of relate to this. Now, I want to kill two birds with one stone here. I have been really anxious to try out my new pressure pot, so I'm going to use wood that would require me to use the pressure pot, and of course the cactus juice. So, I'm going to use this willow wood again. I'm not going to waste a whole bunch of time here showing you the cactus juice thing. I've already done that in great detail in at least 3 other videos previously, so let's just cut right to the new pressure pot. I'm being extra careful not to let the tops of the blanks suck air, because if air gets back into the blank instead of the cactus juice, well, then the whole idea of this stabilizing process is kind of ruined. I want it full of cactus juice, not air. Now you're probably noticing that I've got 2 blanks in that little container. Well, that's because I'm going to make 2 pens from the willow wood. I'm going to make the Gearshift pen, and then I'm going to make sort of a fancy one, sort of a lady's pen. Because, you know, the guy that I give the Gearshift pen to, maybe his wife is going to be jealous, and I sure don't want any fighting going on. Yeah, don't want to be the cause of a split. If you happen to watch the set of videos that I did called Vacuum Infusion Test, especially part 4, you'll know that I soldered that nipple shut, and then I drilled a very tiny little hole in it. The idea being is so that when the air goes into the cylinder, it doesn't rush in, you know, and sort of spill whatever I've got in there. So that's why it's rising so slowly. It's supposed to do that. I was hearing a slight leak, but it turned out it was my quick connect fittings there, not the pressure pot. Now this time I'm not too worried about it sucking air. I'm actually more worried about spilling it. And once again, I'm not going to get into a whole lot of detail here about how to properly handle blanks that have been processed with the cactus juice. Anyway, I guess that's it for today. Tomorrow maybe we'll do a little bit of turning, and possibly, if we're lucky, we'll actually get the Gearshift pen put together.